Today is a no-work day and we are looking for some recreational activity. And one thing came out to our mind, bowling. So immediately, we get our phone and look for some best bowling area in town. And this came out. So hi, welcome back to my channel. So right now we're here at Universal Bowling Center. And it's just part in Riyadh. This establishment is called Universal Bowling Center. Inside, it offers a variety of indoor games, but the highlight is the bowling alley. I must say that the place is clean and well maintained. There are food stalls as well. Unfortunately, they are fully booked because they are having a tournament at the moment. So what we did, we just looked for another venue.
I was breathless, my heart restless. Every turn felt like it was wrong, but I kept going to show I was strong. Pushing to my own song.
So we're here in Intercontinental Hotel. We're looking for the bowling area. Since in what they call this Universal Bowling Center, they are having a tournament. So it's not our luck. So we're just looking for another bowling center. So we're here. This one is located inside the Intercontinental Hotel. Comparably speaking, this is smaller than the first one that we visited. The charge is 26 Saudi Riyals per head, so it will not crack your bank. Most of us really don't have the professional skills on bowling, so even if the ball hit the gutter, we still laugh on each other's performance. Overall, I placed second, and this is a big achievement. If you are looking for fun, I highly suggest you to visit the Intercontinental Bowling Center. Here are the bonus clips.
Happy energy, energy gap, the energy gap. Drink Milo every day, Milo every day. With your 3 balanced meals, beat energy gap. Drink Milo every day, Milo every day.
I did it.
Oh!